How to use outfit codes in Roblox. So if you want to use outfit codes in Roblox, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your browser. And on your browser, you need to go with roblox.com and make sure to log into your account. You can also go with the application if you have the Roblox application. Now, once you've logged in, then you'll have the marketplace section, which is on the top left. Just go with the marketplace. And on the marketplace section, now you just need to simply go and select any catalog. So for example, I'll just simply go with this one. And once you click on it, it will take you to that particular item, right? So once you have that item, as you can see that on the search, it says roblox.com/catalog slash something something number, right? So this is the outfit code. So if you want to use this outfit code, then what you can do is you just need to simply go with www.roblox.com/catalog slash and then enter your code. So remove this code which is right here and then enter your code. After entering your code, just hit the enter and you will have that particular item which is right here. So that's how you can use your outfit codes in Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.